Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. So today we are once again messing with the hard body. This time, I believe it's something super easy, something I could fix. So basically, what's going on is whenever I'm driving and I get off the freeway or I'm around town and I'm driving and I come to a complete stop, my idle is surging up and down. The truck is bucking. So I'm believing that my one of my spark plugs is fouled and I got to replace the plugs. I'm hoping that's it. And if it's something more serious, we will eventually find out later on. So what I'm going to do is just do the old spark plug swap, routine maintenance. I think I changed my plugs a year or two ago, 2 years ago. But I drive a lot of highway miles and I know these things, on the highway, I don't have cruise control. So my stuff's revving all day, just in that meaty power band, 75, 80 miles an hour, you know, every day on the highway. So I'm curious, does anybody know which model came with cruise control? Because I just want to know, do you guys got cruise control or these trucks didn't come with cruise control? What the heck's going on? Because my 92 Miata, 92 had cruise control. So just curious. All right, guys, so this is what we're messing with. We got the NGK V-Power, and this is pretty much OEM replacement. You have to gap these a little bit. I gapped them. The gap on these are 0.44, so you don't have to go too far to gap them. I should have cut my damn fingernail. Anyway, you don't have to go too far to gap them, just a little bit, so make sure you do that. Then I got this boot grease. When I lived in Texas, I used to never get this. I would just be like, dude, they're just upselling crap that don't help. Because it's so humid out there that you don't need stuff like this most of the times. And I didn't drive a lot anyway, so I drove in town a lot. But now that I drive on the highway every day, literally go to check my plug and the thing's freaking bone dry. I could freaking have to use pliers to get the boot off. Gotta go with some protecting. So get the grease, just get it. All right, guys, before we pop the hood here, I want to show you these Motor Trend mats that I got for Christmas. They're freaking dope. They're the best. They just freaking, you can grip your feet, plant your feet, get mud, walk in mud. I don't know why I didn't get these a long time ago. They're freaking dope. Also, my freaking visor broke, bro. It was like freezing cold one morning and I was trying to move the visor towards the window and it just snapped off. So, all right, guys, we got the hood popped here and I just noticed it's time to change the valve cover. Look at that. Need to get some new studs for this thing, but yep. It's already that time. Anyway, let's get these plugs out. All right, guys, so I just took out these plugs and this is my 4th cylinder plug. Look at this. It's like wet, it smells like gas. This is the 3rd cylinder plug. Looks pretty good. It doesn't look like it's too burnt up. So I think something's going on where my 4th cylinder plug is burning a little bit more than all the rest. Literally smells like fuel. Interesting. And this is our new plug. Oh yeah. I didn't get to film the greasing process, but this is the last plug. Check out that grease on there. Oh yeah, I think that's enough. I don't know. I wouldn't want to drench it. Get that on there. I swirl it around like that, like back and forth, just to make sure it's on there really good. Got that good connection there. Right here. What the hell? Don't know how that got so loose, but I'm gonna fix that right now. So this is the aftermath of my plugs. Look at all of them. They're all crispy pretty much, except for this one third cylinder. The 3rd cylinder burned really good, but the rest of them, 1, 2, and 4. Pretty dang crispy. All right, guys, so we fixed our hose here, but I'm gonna replace that hose. That doesn't look right. It has a little bent in it, a little dent there. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that when I do the valve cover, which will be soon. But let's crank the truck and see how she sounds. Oh yeah, sounds a lot smoother. I could tell off the jump. We gotta see how it drives though. I think I smell the grease from the spark plugs burning. All right, guys, we're testing out D21 here. Let's see if we got our power. Feels all right, I guess. Not sure. Guess we got our power back, yeah. It's crazy. Maybe that intake thing was loose, which was causing more airflow to get to the motor, which made it feel a little bit quicker. Now that I fixed that, probably it just drives a little bit slower. A little bit more humane. What do you think, buddy? You. Gosh, I couldn't have picked a better day to do this. Freaking kids are out of school. They're just walking along everywhere. We gotta wait for the traffic. This is nuts. I don't even know if I should get in the center or not. So overall, I would say I think we feel pretty good. Haven't felt no bucking, no hesitation. No jerking when I stop, no surging, no intake, weird sound. So I would say we did a job well done. Come on, kid, goddamn street. Yeah, so all right, guys, until next time, have a good one.